We're just gonna say.
Wait, we're not supposed to be looking here. We're supposed to be looking there.
Okay. Oh, this is juicy. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheyenne Nicole, and I am back with another freaking video.
I didn't know you were gonna say freaking. I didn't know.
So for today's video, we got a special guest. It's my girl Nia, my roommate, my bestie, my homie, my girl, period. And we're gonna do this never have I ever tag. So yeah, let's get into the video.
Oh, this shit real good. It's so good. It's a great decision.
Y'all, we got some hot chocolate, and it's really hidden. Like, it's really hidden. If you guys don't put coffee creamer in your hot chocolate, you're doing it wrong.
You are. She's right.
You're wrong. So, I got a list of questions, or never have I ever questions, and basically we're gonna go, I'm gonna say them.
She's gonna say long.
Yeah, we say them, not all at once.
Who would think you did it? What? That doesn't make any sense. Try that again.
I'm gonna say the
You're gonna say every question?
Yes, I'm gonna say every question, and basically we're gonna say whether or not we've done that thing.
Regardless if you've done it or not. You're gonna say some questions that
we both have to say whether or not we've done it. So I'm gonna say like never have I ever like kissed a wall. And you gotta be like,
okay.
I have or I have not.
Alright. Have our hands up.
Why do we have to have our hands up?
Because you gotta put down the things that you've done. No?
No, we don't have to do it like that.
So you just gonna say never?
Yeah, like when I edit it. So the first one is never have I ever shoplifted. 1, 2, 3.
Never.
Really? You've never shoplifted?
No, I've never done it.
Wow.
I've never done it like on purpose or nothing.
Yeah, I have. You've never, so, okay, have you done it on accident though?
Yes.
See,
there was one time I was obsessed with like Claire's, or what's the other thing? No, I'm pretty sure it was Claire's. You know how Claire's has like cousins, like right. Singing, but I can't remember which store it was. But I think I was in there to exchange something, and I ended up walking out with both or something. I looked back in my bag and I was like, something isn't right. But yeah, I've never actually done it. Wait, what have you stole?
Well, cheers. The next one is never have I ever blacked out.
1, 2, 3. Never
blacked out. I've definitely like forgotten what was like, woke up the next day and didn't fully remember what went on, but I don't ever recall like fully blacking out.
Like, are we talking about like if somebody got like super drunk and blacked out?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I don't even
I've never blacked out.
That's not cute.
The only time I ever like really kind of like have blacked out was like, you know, growing up, there was this game where you could make people faint.
No, I don't.
But it was like, so it was like in middle school, like it was like a thing, like people would make each other faint. Like you would have to do like 10 jumping jacks. You'd have to like hold your breath for like a minute or something like that, and then like you'd stand up against the wall and like a person would like push on your heart, and you would legit just black out for like 10 seconds. I did that at one of my friend's house, and I legit like my butt made a hole in her wall. Yes.
Oh my god.
That's how bad it was. Yeah, it was bad.
Yeah.
Never have I ever been skinny dipping.
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Never.
Really? Yes.
You know what? That must be so freeing.
I did it. Oh.
You want to tell the story? I think they want to know. If you want to know.
I did it.
I would though.
I did it. It was at home.
With some hair.
Oh. It was at.
Kinda.
I'm getting the hair or the lash.
There we go.
I was at home, and it was like me and my friends, we were having a sleepover, and like really late at night.
How old are you?
Summer. I was maybe in like high school years. I don't remember exactly how old I was, but we were like let's go skinny dipping. And we did.
Did you enjoy it? Would you do it again?
No, it felt really weird. Like being in a pool just butt ass naked. Would I do that again? No, that felt so weird. Like, never have I ever dined and dashed. 1, 2, 3.
Never.
Yes.
You know I'm a.
I feel like a villain. Like
I don't know how to win. I don't do anything. I'm nervous.
Never have I ever peed on myself as an adult.
1, 2, 3. Yes. That shit was not cute.
Like when you laugh too hard, when you really gotta pee.
I think I drank too much water that day. It was probably one of the worst days of my life. I'm telling you.
Mine happened when I was really drunk and I never told anybody.
Don't judge me.
I think if you haven't peed on yourself at least once as an adult, like
I just I couldn't make it. I'm just kidding.
Okay, never have I ever gone on a date for free food. 1, 2, 3. I have.
No.
If you're offering, I'm not gonna say no. So
I'm never done that. No.
I've definitely. Yeah.
Wait.
Oh. Do what you gotta do. Okay. Never have I ever been blocked. 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
By every nigga ever.
Yes.
At one point, like, granted, like, I'm cool with every guy I've ever talked to or dated, but at one point, like, immediately following the separation or breakup, they blocked me for a short period of time, or I blocked them.
Well, I haven't talked to a lot of guys at all, but the guys that I have talked to, how they end, yes.
It ends in a block.
It ends in a block.
It ends in a block. Never have I ever cheated on a test before.
1, 2, 3. Yes. If you
Welcome
know
to Berkeley.
No. Surprisingly, I haven't done it
At Berkeley?
at Berkeley.
Really?
Have I?
It'll be the things like,
No. Yes, I have. Yes, I have.
it won't be nothing. It'll be like,
But not other like major. Like I'm talking
Yeah,
about
it
just
won't
a
be-
slight glance.
yeah, it
and,
really won't be nothing
But when I was
major,
in high school, or really middle school, because I went to a really hard middle school, we was plotting, planning.
like sit next to me.
Me, yes, strategic with it, yes.
Screaming. Yeah, I've never like done that, but I definitely have. Like if I knew I was gonna take a test and like there was a possibility that I really was gonna struggle on it, or like I just wasn't prepared for whatever reason, like I would definitely make sure I sit next to the smartest kid in the class. Like I would arrive early to class that day to make sure I secured my seat. Not so I could cheat on the whole test, but legit.
Finesse.
Yeah, like so I could get some assistance, some guidance,
Right.
a roadmap.
Not a roadmap. I'm weak. She said
A roadmap, just so I can get a roadmap, and that's all I need. Never have I ever played hard to get.
1, 2, 3. Yes.
Like
Every time.
okay, maybe not every time for me, but definitely. I have in certain situations. I definitely have more so. I think because like I probably know that person and like I know them enough to know that like I need to play like hard to get with this specific person because I've heard about this person.
Yeah, I think the men that I've seen like in my life or just like around me, people that I know, like they just get it so easily. Like they don't have to do nothing, they don't have to try.
Right.
The girls
No,
just come.
legit
So for me, I'm
every
just
nigga
like,
ever.
Why would I be one of those girls?
That's legit every nigga ever in 2020. In 2019 too.
So yeah.
What was the next one? Okay. Never have I ever led someone on. 1.
Wait.
Approximately 10 hours later.
To think.
Like led a guy on. Never have I ever led a guy on. 1, 2, 3.
Yes. Bitch.
I've led almost every guy on in my life, so I'm sorry.
Ba-da-ba.
Alright. He's on down, he's on down, he's on down. Road. Okay.
Okay, Liz.
Never have I ever lied about my relationship status.
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Yes?
I definitely have. Like, especially like guys, like when I'm out and a guy like approaches me and I don't want to talk to
I said
him.
I'm married before.
Girl, what? Where was the ring? I've only used the yeah, I'm in a relationship. Like, I'm sorry.
She'd be like, I got a boyfriend. It's okay, can I just be your friend? No, you cannot.
No, sir. Like, I'm telling you, I have a boyfriend. Like, you can't be my friend. But can I just be like, we don't gotta do nothing. That's the line. We don't gotta do nothing.
Ridiculous. Why are you so gassy?
It's the hot chocolate. I saw that dairy in my. I was just stiff. We stiff.
Not we stiff. You stiff. I'm not stiff. Why you calling me stiff? You said we stiff. We ain't stiff. I mean, I don't consider this stiff.
Okay. Never have I ever hooked up with an ex's friend.
I don't know why I have to think about this. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
No. You want to tell your story?
I'm not gonna tell my story because it's happening.
Wow! We're name dropping. Wow.
No, wait. No, back it up.
Like, that did happen.
Woo! TBT.
We're shaking the table.
Wow. Never have I ever given someone a fake phone number.
1, 2, 3. Yes.
Yes, like
There's no
yes.
story. It don't need to be like.
Yeah, there's no
That's
story
it.
behind that. But yes. Never have I ever lied to my parents about where I was going.
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
No.
I have.
I don't think I've ever had. Wait, what was the question? Wait, ask the question again. I forgot.
The question was, never have I ever lied to my parents about where I'm going or where I was going.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I did it in high school a little bit.
I think the only reason why, because I was like, damn, high school I never had a reason to.
In high school, there were like, majority of the time I wouldn't lie, but there were like small instances where I would like fib.
Really?
A fib. Never have I ever had a crush on a friend's sibling.
Yeah. Crush on friends. Who are my friends? Okay, 1, 2, 3. No?
Yes. I feel like I've said yes to almost every single one of these.
I feel like I said no to almost everything.
Yeah.
I don't feel like I have a lot of friends that have guy siblings. Either I just don't know them, I'm just not attracted to them.
Fair enough. Never have I ever sent a risky text to the wrong person.
1, 2, 3.
Hell
No.
yes.
No.
I have done that many of times, and I still haven't learned my lesson about looking at the name before sending the message. Like actual like messages, like just saying something that I didn't want that person to know or like see. Or,
Would be like, have you
or
done
like
to your parents?
Or like I was no. Okay. I don't think But like say I was like talking shit about one person.
Ooh.
Like one nigga, and I sent it to like one of my homies, and then accidentally sent it accidentally sent it to the nigga because I was just thinking too fast. Like I have done that before. Yo,
So what happened?
my bad. I didn't mean to send that to you.
But if you talking
maybe I don't like.
that's funny.
Maybe I didn't say their name in the message. I don't know, but I definitely have hit them with the my bad. I didn't mean to send this. And that'd be that.
Period.
Period. Period. Alright y'all, so thank you so much for watching my video. Once again, if you haven't done so already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think about this video. Give me more video suggestions. Make sure you follow my girl at Nia Ashley _ I will put her at in the description. So if you just check the description box. So yeah. you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.